In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TalkBack on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button and click OK. From here, scroll all the way down and find device preferences. Now scroll down again and find accessibility. Click OK, and here you can enable TalkBack. It's the second from bottom setting. Press on it, then enable. You can also change the configuration for it if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.